Hello friends, today in this video I am Shubhankar Sharma and I will tell you the details and the specifications of the PlayStation 5 that has been revealed by the Sony. So in this video I will give you the details and the specifications of the PlayStation 5 that has been revealed by the Sony till now. Basically Sony revealed the design of the PlayStation 5 on June 11. They also told that the PlayStation 5 will gonna be released on the Christmas 2020. Basically in October and November, between these months. So basically the what we are getting in the PlayStation 5. So basically if you have not seen the PlayStation 5, it has very eye-catching details with a very dynamic look. Basically the mixture of black and white, and also it has the next generation of console with too many features and specifications in it. So basically Sony has not revealed its price yet. So basically in this video we will know about all the details and some of the games that are gonna be released for the Sony PlayStation 5, and also the Sony PlayStation 5 digital edition, which is streamlined without any disk drive, and has also gonna released with the upcoming PlayStation 5. Now let's know the details of both the PlayStations, and for that watch this video till the end. And also if you like this video then please click like and hit red subscribe button to the channel. So let's jump into the video. So friends, some of the games that are gonna released with the upcoming PlayStation 5 and the PlayStation 5 digital edition are the Spider-Man Entry and the Horizon Zero Dawn sequel, the remake of the Demon's Soul, that was the previous PS4 or PS3 game, and the new Resident Evil 8. And games are gonna be the very high-end graphics with very good lightning effects, because the Sony has used a new technology which we're gonna discuss later in this video. So through this the light effects of the gameplay on the screen has gonna be the very excellent compared with, or very good compared with the previous generation PS4 console. So now friends, let's see the specifications of the PlayStation 5. So basically in this we are getting AMD Zen 2 based CPU with 8 cores, which is powered at 3.5 GHz, 16 GB of DDR6 memory RAM, and also the RDNA 2 AMD GPU, which has the 10.28 teraflops of processing power basically. And also in the controller, basically the PlayStation 5 controller, we are getting the technology like DualSense technology, haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and built-in mic also. So friends, we have talked about the specifications, and these specifications are the best of the the latest technology that has been put on the PS5, in basically the PS5 console. The basically best hardware, best GPU, the memory card, even when compared with the previous generation PS4 Pro and with the PS4 Slim consoles. So basically as we know that it's the next generation gaming console. Basically in PlayStation 5 we have got some of the best features, basically the latest technological features that we have not seen in the basically the PS4, that we have not seen in the PS4 or PS3, the previous generation consoles. And some of the great features are like ray tracing, super fast SSD, built-in 4K Blu-ray player, and also is gonna be compatible with PS4 games too. So basically if you don't know what is the technology of ray tracing, then it's the technology for the better lighting effects that you will see when the PS5 console will gonna be seen on the market. If you play, you will see that there are the more good lighting effects. The light basically sees like a real. It's not like a animated or one like the artificial that is made. It look like a real, that we are in the real world playing the game. That's because the graphics are gonna be too high also. It maybe is gonna be seen that the PS5 console has the voice assistant capabilities too. So it will all gonna be released when the real PS5 console will gonna be released on the Christmas 2020. So basically even the price has not been revealed by the Sony. So for that we have to wait for that time. So friends, we have to wait for the upcoming of the next generation console, and until that stay excited with me, because the new information will gonna be released by the Sony, and for that the coming information for that gaming console we have seen on the basically on the October, on the month of the October. So with that friends, end this video, and also if you like this video then please click like and hit red subscribe button to the channel, and also comment below this video if you feel it interesting.